In this question, they give us two relations, that means two equations, and then ask us about the total number of apples ordered by Ada and Billy. So in order to rewrite this relation in equations, we want to let the number ordered by Ada and Billy first. Just simply use the letter A and B to represent their number respectively. So now we can translate the sentence. The number of apples ordered by Ada, so here represented by A, is, that means equal, 4 times of Billy, that means 4 times of B. We get the first equation, is A is equal to 4 times of B. Now the key point is here, if Ada gives 12 apples to Billy, which means that Ada originally have A, now become A minus 12. Give 12 now. Billy originally owe B apples. Now, because he get 12 at the same time from Ada, so it's become B plus 12 now. They have the same number of apples. That means the final result, these two results are the same. So we can write A minus 12 is equal to B plus 12. Now we have two equations. We just simplify this one first because it's look too complicated. The first equation, no change, so I just copy down. What below, we move B to one side, so we have A minus B is equal to minus 12 to another side become plus 12. 12 plus 12 we get 24. Why we can't solve it is because two unknown together. So I don't want to express this A in terms of A. I want to express this in terms of 4B. Since we already know A minus B is equal to 24, therefore I write another format. A is at the same time equal to 4B. So 4B minus B is 24. Now we can combine them. So B is equal to 8. Then we use this one. Since A is equal to 4B, in fact, you can use the second one because both of them are correct statement. So A is equal to 4 times of 8. A is equal to 32. That means originally Ada owed 32 and Billy owed 8. But what it's asking is about the total number, so don't forget to answer the question. Is equal to 8 plus 32, so we get 40. You are strongly suggest to use your calculator to double check your answer, but the calculator is very strict about the format. So if you need to use calculator, you have to rewrite your equation like A minus 4B equal to 0. A minus B equal to 24. It's very strict that the first input is how many times of A. Second input how many times of B. Third input is equal to some constant.